The birth of a child can be the most rewarding and fulfilling experience of a couple's lifetime. But when the medical malpractice of a hospital, doctor, or nurse results in injury to the newborn, what started as a joyous occasion turns into tragedy. The parents of that newly born injured child immediately start asking themselves, what's in store for my child during the course of his or her lifetime? Who's going to pay for the extraordinary medical expenses that we're going to need to provide the best opportunities that we can? The questions begin, how are we ever going to fight the big hospitals and in big insurance companies to get the justice that we deserve? We at the law firm of Block, O'Toole and Murphy understand your fears. We understand your concerns. And we at Block, O'Toole and Murphy have the knowledge, the experience to answer those questions and to fight for you and your family. We've represented countless victims of medical malpractice that has resulted in harm or injury to a newborn. If you or a loved one have been the victim of medical negligence or medical malpractice that has resulted in injury to a newborn baby, contact us. We're here for you, and we will not rest until justice is done for you and your family.